Are you struggling to format your Word documents using the Novacode Docx library? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to add soft returns within paragraphs to keep your content looking sharp. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your formatting doesn't work the way you want it to, especially when you're trying to create professional-looking documents. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I add soft returns within paragraphs using Novacode Docx? They want their paragraphs to stay together at page breaks while also inserting soft returns for images. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what exactly is the issue here? When using the Novacode Docx library, adding soft returns can be tricky, especially when you want to maintain the integrity of your paragraphs. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make your document formatting even easier. You won't want to miss it. To add soft returns within paragraphs using the Novacode Docx library, the user should first create a new paragraph object. This will serve as the foundation for adding text and formatting. Next, the user can add text to the paragraph. To insert a soft return, they need to use the appropriate method provided by the Novacode library. After adding the desired text and soft returns, the user should ensure that the paragraph is set to keep together at page breaks. This is crucial for maintaining the layout. Finally, the user can insert images between the lines of text. They should use the insert image method after the soft return to position the images correctly. Fun fact: did you know that the first word processors were created in the 1970s? They were nothing like the powerful tools we have today. Formatting has come a long way. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding Unicode characters at the end of your paragraph. Specifically, you can use the Unicode for carriage return and line feed. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the Novacode Docx library to add soft returns. They suggest creating a document and then appending a soft return using the Unicode character for carriage return. Here's that tip I promised. Always test your document formatting with a small sample before applying it to your entire document. This can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You now know how to add soft returns within paragraphs using Novacode Docx. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.